Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go! In the previous weekly analysis, the price was stopped here at this level on a Friday, 1.06648, and it was mentioned that the price could reach higher levels and make a breakout, but the breakout should be verified when the price goes above and then return back down, not closing below this support level but closing above to confirm this breakout. It was also mentioned that this confluence of resistance where we have a horizontal resistance level and also downtrend resistance level will prevent the price to reach higher levels. And on a Monday we can see the price has moved to the upside, making a bullish candle, because this was also mentioned in the previous analysis. This bullish candle has closed above previous daily candle's body, which was a small signal that the price will continue to move up. After making on a Monday bullish candle, the price reached higher levels, breaking above this confluence of support, and the price then returning back down, which represents a selling pressure and also this confluence of resistance that it was preventing the price to move up. But this was also a small signal that the price has strength to move to higher levels, and from the bearish scenario this was not a signal that the price will return back down. On a Tuesday we can see that the first of the signals of the breakout to the upside was created here. It was a strong bullish candle that has reached higher levels, and those levels was here where these two candles ends and starts, and also this was also a first resistance level, a small resistance level before this one strong one. And then what has happened, the price has a long wick and the body has closed above this previous resistance level. Then the price on Wednesday returned back down as a bearish candle, touching here this demand zone and not breaking below 1.01368, which confirmed this breakout as the valid point. And as a final confirmation of this bullish breakout was this bullish candle that was created on a Thursday as a bullish engulfing candle, where the body covers the previous candle body and also the wicks covers the previous candle's wicks, representing a bullish signal for the future move up. This was the final confirmation of this bullish breakout, which suggested that this demand zone here is strong enough to hold the price above this resistance level and then to move to the higher levels. We can see that also this engulfing bullish candle on Thursday has reached also higher levels than these two previous candles, and it is higher than this higher price of this bearish candle, which means the price managed to touch higher levels, but the supply zone here, we can see it is strong enough to hold the price for now. Then on a Friday we have a usual signal for the Friday where the traders gets out from their trades, locks their profits to avoid a weekend scenario where the price could open with a gap and to avoid possible loss over the weekend. So on a Friday we can see it is a bullish pin bar, but the bullish pin bar is not completely 100% correct because it is in the middle between these two support and resistance levels, which doesn't give enough confirmation as a strong bullish signal. If the pin bar was created below here with the body inside these three candles, and with the larger wick below touching this downtrend resistance level, it would mean a great bullish signal as this one engulfing bullish candle. But we can see that on a Friday the price returned down, reaching lower levels, and where the traders has closed their profits from the bullish trades, and then the price was pushed down. But at the end the price managed to go up because there is a strong demand zone, which means a large portion of bullish trades have opened and pushed the price to the higher levels, which means for the next week we have a strong demand zone here ready to push the price on higher levels. But have in mind that this supply zone here, where the sellers are waiting, will be hard to break above, because we can see that the whole week the price could not reach higher levels than this one, 1.02303. So as the next week, as a next target, we have here a good bullish signals pointing to the higher levels, and high level that the price can reach if the price managed to make a bullish candle for the next week here is this level where we have a down, well, we have the lowest price of this candle when the price was going down, and also here this one. So this means that this area here is also the next supply zone that will prevent the price from reaching higher levels. So we have a space here. If the price manages to close above this one, we can see here, this is the decision price. If the price manages to close the day above, then this will mean that this resistance is close to be broken also to the upside and reach the higher levels. So the higher level price is 1.03620, which means from the current price, which is 1.02081, is around 150 pips. It is a good trading scenario, but have in mind that the current price is between support and resistance line, and it is not good to enter right now because of the bad risk to reward ratio, because the risk you would take would be with the stop loss here at 1.0112, which is almost 100 pips, with the profit target 1.03600. It is close to 1 against 1, which is not good, but it is possible to trade. So it would be very nice to wait until the price reaches higher levels, lower level here, and then if there is a nice bullish price action signal, which can be also on a 4-hour time frame, watch to enter to ride the next upside wave. But be also careful, the price can always change the direction, so set stop loss below to avoid any losses if the price changed the direction that was not mentioned here. So to the upside, we need to price to reach higher levels with the daily candle body closed here above if possible, but the first level is this one around this candle body. So 1.02700 is the first level the price needs to close above to get the first step to reach higher levels. Now take a look on a weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have a bullish candle with a bullish candle where the end price of this week is here somewhere between these two support and resistance level, but the price reached higher levels. If we take a look previous weekly candles, we can see that the current price is somewhere in between, where there is space to move to the upside. So there is a space for the week to move to the upside at the level 1.03600, which I have mentioned. And also if we take a look on a monthly time frame, we can see that the price has made a large bounce in July, and it was mentioned in the previous analysis, also on a weekly analysis, that this support level will push the price to the higher levels. The higher levels that were mentioned was also this one, so 1.02975, this one, and also as a final one 1.0500. So we can expect, if the price manages to close above, to reach higher levels close to this one, 1.03920. To reach higher levels, we need to wait what will happen around this level. Will it be possible to break above this supply zone where the sellers are waiting? We'll see how the candles will form it. The first step to reach higher levels as a breakout, bullish breakout, is already done this week, so the first step is gone. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!